Alright, today we are going to replace the rear bumper. There's nothing wrong with it, except that the front bumper is black now, so it's pretty simple, especially if you already have a bumper structure. This is what I'm choosing to use, so that I can, oh boy, get at the screws here. Does a good job. I already did these, so it's this, and I do believe underneath it's a 14, but I'll update you on that. Alright, I had 3 screws to remove. There's a 4th screw hole here though, which I imagine is used if you have a mud flap. And there we go. This is what it looks like underneath. Gonna go do the other side. These are the bolts that hold the bumper into the car. I believe it's these 2, but I'm gonna undo all 3 and see to confirm for you later. But these 3 here, there's the same thing on the other side someplace. So these 3 and the same thing on the frame rail on the other side. Alright, I got all the bolts out. Should just pull right off now. What tends to happen with these is it frickin' collects all kinds of crap right there. And then this whole bracket will rot right off.